All right, we have two videos from Charlie Rides. Okay, this is going to be a close call. This is going to be a lane filtering open spot pattern. And the next one is going to be a merging close call and then a merging crash. So we got two close calls and then we have a crash. Let's go and take a look at this. Okay, lane filtering. There's the lane filtering hazard. And he says open spot. Where was the open spot, everybody? Where was the open spot? Oh, shoot. You just kind of put it right there, huh? All right, so here's the thing. We have an open spot right here. So whenever we see something like this and there's enough room for a vehicle to move into it, they're probably going to do it. Okay? Just always assume. Just always assume. So what do we have when it comes to lane filtering? What situations can we we're going to perceive a hazard? What can we react with? Pretty much only progressive braking, because we can't swerve right, we're going to hit a vehicle. Okay? We can't swerve left because we're going to hit my head. Okay? That's pretty much what it is. So you can only decelerate and brake. Okay, so the only way you're going to be able to stop in time for something like this is if you go at a slower speed, because when it comes to total stopping distance, you need to have braking distance. Your braking distance gets larger and larger and larger and larger and larger the faster you go. So that's why in like Utah and in Arizona in September, that when we passed the lane filtering law, you can only go 10 miles an hour over the speed of traffic, and the speed of traffic has to be stopped. So you're really only going 10. You can stop pretty good at 10. So all he could do is brake because he can hit the back of this vehicle. Thankfully, that vehicle stopped and didn't hit him. Very lucky. It was a good close call that we can learn from. All right, so we're going to take a look at this one. This is going to be a merging close call. Trucks equal wide turns. All right, wide turn, guild of creators. Don't fight for that lane. Law of gross tonnage is going to win, buddy. Don't fight for that lane. So the only thing we have here is large semi-trucks will take up a lot of the road. Next time when you see a truck turning in an intersection, assume they'll take 2 lanes to do so. Don't rush into your space. You will lose this collision. All right, Charlie Rides here. Merging crash. The red vehicle is indicating a turn, and Charlie Rides decides to pass on the right. I believe he assumes drivers will see him and does not take action. And we got this in bold, and we got it underlined here. Be more in control of your own risks. Risk management, everybody. Let's take a look. This car was indicating, and we crashed into him still. What are we doing passing on the right, everybody? What are we doing, Charlie? What are we doing, Charlie? All right, Ryko, here we go. Clueless driver almost hit you. So orange stage and roundabouts. Great job seeking and recognizing the hazard. Intersections and roundabouts are dangerous because of the path of travel opportunities. And this was no different. Add in a glaring sun in the eye of the driver, and you have a recipe for disaster. All right, so sun in our back, sun in the eyes of the driver. This is a roundabout right here. We should be in orange stage, prepped and ready. Couldn't see us. Good job with the braking. Non-issue. Handled it well. Handled it well. Which, by the way, everybody, what we're going to be doing is we're posting our syllabus, what we're talking about here at the MTC Rider Academy this weekend. So after every single one of our live streams, we're going to be posting this because I'm going to re-upload the live stream to the archives. We do have an archives situation here at the MTC Rider Academy. So just in case YouTube wants to pull us down, we are uploading all of our archives in here. So we do have all of our videos. So right now it is the 18th. You get to watch the 19th, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th video of the month. You get to watch it early right now. But I will be uploading this live stream also, and then putting this in the description. You can download if you really wanted to, so you can follow along with us. So make sure you check it out. Links in the description for the MTC Rider Academy. So let's take a quick look at this. So sun in the eyes, intersection, orange stage. We teach this in our course that is also on the MTC Rider Academy, so you can figure out how to protect yourself also. So we're coming up to here. Okay, side of the vehicle already, side of the vehicle. They're not slowing down. We're recognizing it. We're only going 17, let's say kilometers an hour. That's pretty slow. And we just kind of slowed down a little bit, progressive braking. Imagine if we were hauling ass and not paying attention. How bad would this have been?